Okay, I've made this video because I've bought this torque wrench, and this is actually one of the first torque wrenches I've ever bought. And it took a little bit of understanding as to how it works, because when I go to put my lug nuts on my car, I want them tightened up to a certain torque. And on my car it's 180 Newton meters. So this one that I've got here adjusts between 40 to 200 Newton meters. Okay. Now, in order to know, in order to set that, okay, so that when you're tightening the bolt, you need the torque wrench to click so that you know that you've reached the desired torque. Now, on here there's sort of a dial here, and it starts at 40. I don't know if you can see that. It starts at 40 and will go up to 200. And then there's this secondary dial here, which goes from 0 to 9. Now this is the increments between all the decimals. So if you twist this to 1, this will be 41, 42, 43, etc. So if we wanted to take this up to 80 Newton meters, okay, you just keep turning this, and you can see that the dial behind is moving. So we're going to take that up to, so this is now 77, 78, 79, 80. That line is on the 80. If you wanted to take it to 90, just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that'll take it up to 90. And then when you're done, you push this back in, okay? And then when you're tightening the bolt, it'll start going click, 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 click to let you know that's tight enough. So yeah, that's a quick overview of how this torque wrench works. It's very, very high quality. It's nice and heavy. I do like it. But yeah, just understanding how this bit worked took me a few minutes, and I couldn't find any videos at all about it. So yeah, I hope this video helps.